Timber structures are renowned for their durability, but even they're not impervious to trouble. As time marches on, various issues can silently compromise the integrity of your timber, jeopardizing both your property and your peace of mind. Moisture intrusion, one of the most prevalent culprits, can gradually weaken the timber structure, leading to problems that are costly to repair. Discoloration, warping, or the ominous sight of mold can signal that your timber is in peril. Pests, particularly termites and carpenter ants, can wreak havoc, creating tunnels and chambers that undermine the timber's strength. Their presence, if left unchecked, can escalate into a structural nightmare. Improper installation or lapse in regular maintenance can also spell disaster. It's crucial to remember that just like any other part of your home, timber needs consistent care to thrive. Now that we've identified the common culprits, let's turn our attention to the visual indicators, the signs that something isn't quite right. Cracks and splits, especially along the grain, can be a cause for concern, hinting at a possible compromise in the timber's structural integrity. Sagging or drooping ceilings and floors, even if seemingly minor, are red flags that shouldn't be ignored. They often signal that the supporting beams have weakened and can't distribute the load properly. Unusual sounds, such as creaking, groaning, or even snapping, are the timber's way of communicating distress. Each sound is a clue that you should investigate further. While these warning signs can be unsettling, it's vital to remember that early detection is key. By staying vigilant and addressing issues promptly, you can prevent small problems from snowballing into major headaches. Let's shift our focus to the proactive measures you can take to safeguard your timber investment. Regular inspections, much like the checkups you have for your health, are essential for catching issues early when they're most treatable. Moisture control is another critical aspect. Timber is a natural material that can succumb to water's relentless assault. Proper ventilation and waterproofing measures are your timber's shield against water damage. Don't underestimate the importance of pest control. Schedule regular pest inspections and take immediate action if any signs of infestation appear. Remember, carpenter ants and termites don't take holidays. While these steps may seem like mere tidbits of advice, they're the cornerstones of timber preservation. By integrating them into your home maintenance routine, you'll ensure that your timber stands the test of time. In conclusion, spotting timber trouble early is akin to having a crystal ball for your home's structural integrity. It allows you to nip issues in the bud, saving you from potential disasters down the road. So arm yourself with knowledge, equip yourself with the right tools, and be proactive. Your timber will thank you for it, and so will your wallet and your peace of mind. If you spot any signs of timber trouble, don't wait. Leave your comment below, and we'll provide guidance and structural advice.